Good morning, friends. In our today's lecture, we discuss different types of error, classification of error. Error are basically classified into three types: gross error, it is also called as human error, then systematic error, and random error. Then systematic error again classified into four types, sorry: instrumental error, environmental error, observational error, and operational error. So this is a total classification of error. Now we have to see each error in detail. First one is gross error. Such type of error are also called as human error. That means this type of error are basically comes due to the mistake of human being. That's why such type of error are called as human error. Generally it causes due to using wrong instrument, faulty setting of instrument, mistake in reading or recording of observation, wrong calculation, mistake in conversion of units. These are the some reasons. That's why the gross error or human error are occurs. Using wrong instrument, that means due to lack of knowledge, uh, we can use wrong instrument for wrong uh, measurement, then faulty setting of instrument. Settings does not machine does not set properly, so that's why such type of error occurs. Then mistake in reading or recording of observation. So mistake in reading, some of the worker having tendency to read high readings, then faulty readings get note down and record. Wrong calculations, sometimes there is a chances of wrong calculations are there, and due to due to such points the errors are occurs, and such type of error occurs due to human mistakes called as human error or gross error. Now this type of error we can avoid by providing proper training, taking number of readings at different time and points. By providing proper training, so for workers, provides various trainings and to avoid that gross error or human error. Then taking number of readings, so instead of only one or two reading, if we take number of readings, then we can avoid the chances of gross error. Then at different time and points, instead of number of readings take at single time, we can conduct we can take reading at number of times and at various locations or various points. If we do this, then we can avoid our gross error. Next one is systematic error. This type of error occurs due to faulty instrument, environmental condition, improper handling of instrument. This is the systematic error which occurs due to faulty instrument, then environmental condition and improper handling of instrument. It divides into following types. Systematic error are categorized in four types: instrument error, environmental error, observational error, and operational error. So these are the four subtypes of our systematic error. So first one is instrumental error. This type of error mainly caused due to faulty instrument. So if the instrument is faulty, then there is a chances of such type of error. Example: if the spring of pressure gauge not work properly, then pointer does not comes on its original position even after releasing pressure. So as we know, pressure gauge are used for measuring pressure, and if there is uh, pressure apply, then the pointer moves towards the forward direction. But if the spring of pointer does not work properly, then even after releasing pressure, the pointer does not comes on its original position. So such type of error are called as instrumental error. That means just because of fault of instrument, such type of error are occurs. It can eliminate by repairing or replacing faulty parts. So we can easily replace the faulty parts, and we avoid this type of errors. It can also eliminate by calibration of instrument.